So on number 9, you want to find angle U, how many degrees angle U is over here. And the vertex of that angle is outside the circle, it's exterior. And so anytime it's exterior, you're going to use strategy either 4A or 4B. Since these lines are going to go through the circle, they're secant lines is what we call those. Our lines, well, at least this one's going through the circle, this one's touching, but technically it doesn't matter. Anytime you have an exterior angle, you're using one of the strategies from 4. So that means you're taking the green arc minus the yellow arc, all divided by 2, in order to find the exterior angle, which is angle U in this case. So we don't know the green arc, we do know the yellow arc is 60, and we don't know angle U. What we do know is we also know this 144 over here. So if we do 360 degrees for the whole circle, so this is my side work over here, 360 degrees for the whole circle minus the 144 piece over there in blue. Take away that, we also take away the 60 there in yellow. The remainder should be how much I have for the green arc. So let's just go to the calculator. 360 minus 144 minus 60 comes out to 156. So that would be 156 minus 60 all over 2. So 156 minus 60 comes out to 96. 96 divided by 2 is going to be 48 degrees for the exterior angle U. What else? What other ones do we have questions on?